Start. A case for confiscation of the goods was therefore clearly made out. Stop the order of the tribunal on a considered view of the matter, reducing the redemption fine and the penalty to the extent indicated in the order is fair and does not call for interference in the appeal by the exporter. Stop the appeal shall accordingly dismissed since it does not give rise to any substantial question of law. Stop the district magistrate, upon scrutinizing the application as provided in section 14, would be acting within jurisdiction, and if he is satisfied that all the requirements are fulfilled, he could authorize a subordinate officer to take possession of the secured assets for benefit of the secured creditor. Stop. Thus, we find no merit in the submission. Stop. The next submission which has been made is based on the amended provisions of section 14, which were inserted by the enforcement of security interest and recovery of debts laws within Amendment Act 2012. Stop. The amended provisions, insofar as they are material to the present proceedings, came into effect on 15 January 2013 upon publication in the Official Gazette. Stop. Section 6 of the Amending Act, introducing in sub-section 1 of section 14. Stop. The provisos require that any application by a secured creditor has to be accompanied by an affidavit affirmed by an authorized officer of the secured creditor, declaring among other things in clause 8 that the borrower has not made any repayment of the financial assistance in spite of a notice under section 13 within bracket 2, and is therefore entitled to take possession of the secured assets under the provisions of section 13 for read with section 14 of the Principal Act. Stop. The amended provisions would, however, on their plain terms, have no application to the facts of the present case. Stop. The third proviso provides that the requirement of filing an affidavit as stated in the first proviso shall not apply to a proceeding pending before the district magistrate or the chief metropolitan magistrate, as the case may be on the date of commencement of the Securitization Act. Stop. The district magistrate had already been moved much prior to the amending act. Stop.